Hello! Introducing the Lizard with the Blizzard. It has a built-in camera so it can watch your kids when you're doing stupid stuff, or they're doing stupid stuff, or anyone in your house is doing stuff. Check this out. So we walk over here, we put this right here, boom, the lizard sits there. Now let's cut to the camera feed. Alright, so the Lizard with the Blizzard has perfect quality camera. You can see anything, you can see everything. You're gonna catch everyone if they're doing something bad in your house. Oh, someone decides they wanna mess up your whole life? Guess what? You'll catch it with the Lizard and the Blizzard. Let's go back to the cameraman. So here are some more unconventional uses for the Lizard from the Blizzard. Now that we're back to the Lizard cam, we can stalk our crushes. Check this out. Look, there she is.
Bro, what the
No, don't close the door. Alright, welcome back. So, I'm gonna show you how the Lizard with a Blizzard can cure cancer. Check this out. See this? This cancer prick?
My diary to my family, bro.
Here, it's your diary? Oh yeah? Well here, take a Lizard with a Blizzard. How you feel?
I feel fantastic.
You've been cured.
What?
Say thank you, Lizard with the Blizzard.
You're welcome, Lizard with a Blizzard.
No, you have to say thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, the coolest thing about this product is it'll literally make all of your dreams come true. Watch this. Hold on, let me get behind the camera. Look at this. See this? The Lizard with the Blizzard? Alright, Lizard with the Blizzard. Make a shark. Boom! There's a shark all of a sudden. Isn't that crazy? Look, let's see what else they can do. Alright, sir. What do you want? If you could have anything you wanted from the Lizard from the Blizzard, what would you want? Sir?
What you say to me?
I said, if you wanted anything, what would you have?
Oh. I would want a guitar.
You want a guitar?
Yeah.
There you go, a guitar. How about that?
Oh, that's so cool. What?
You should probably learn how to play.
I want to learn how to play guitar too.
Oh, okay. Well, guess what? Now you know how to play guitar too, thanks to the Lizard from a Blizzard.
For real?
Yeah.
Should I try it?
Yeah, try it.
Whoa.
Now, say thanks, Lizard from a Blizzard.
You're welcome, Lizard from a Blizzard.
And now, and only now, between now and Christmas, which is the day after tomorrow if you're watching it on the day of the upload, you can get this 20% off. That means it's gonna go from $20 to $15. Now, all you have to do is go online or call the number right here.
What number?
The number that hasn't been put on the screen yet. That hasn't gone through editing.
I see it.
Because it's not there yet.
You're a freaking thief.
I'm not a thief. You just look at the number that's gonna be here after I edit the video, or you can visit the website at right here. Should be somewhere, maybe up. It might be up here, might be down here. What are you about to do? No, Lizard from the Blizzard. No, you're not. No. Order yours now, and you might live. Bye. Now that we're back to the Lizard from the Blizzard cam, we can start stalking our crushes. Look at this. Oh yeah. Now that we've switched back to the Lizard from a Blizzard cam, we can stalk our crushes. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is good stuff right here. Oh yeah, see, this is the great thing about Lizard from a Blizzard. You can watch anything. Oh no, I'm gonna be looking at this. Ah!